Hi everyone, today we're making Greek pita bread. You know, this is the kind of pita that you wrap. Soft, flexible and made properly, not the supermarket version. Now in a large bowl, add your flour. Follow this with some salt, sugar and yeast. Add the olive oil, warm water and mix until a soft dough forms. Knead this for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place in a lightly oiled bowl, cover and let it rise until doubled in size. This should take you about 1 to 1.5 hours. You can do everything by hand like I've shown you today.
Or you could use one of these to make things a little bit easier.
Now turn the dough onto a floured surface and give it a few more good kneads and put it into place and then divide it into 6 portions. Form these into ball shapes and then use a rolling pin to roll them out. We're looking at around about 8 inches wide for each one. Heat a cast iron pan or skillet over a medium-high heat and add a splash of oil. Cook each pita for 1 or 2 minutes per side until puffed and lightly golden. And that's it, proper Greek pita. Enjoy! The full recipe, including instructions, pictures, everything is available on my blog, souvlakiforthesoul.com. I'll have a link in the description below.